Welcome back, students. In this session, we will be discussing about how to perform A power n, B power n in Turing machine. A power n, B power n in Turing machine. So the logic behind this operation is equal number of A's and equal number of B's. Equal number of A's and B's. This is the first logic. And another one major logic is A should come first. A should come first. Then B will occur. Then B will occur. So this is the logic. So n can be any number. So here for this example, I am using n equal to 2. So our input will be AABB. So you know that the right hand side of the Turing machine will be bounded with blank and the left hand side will also bounded with blank. So the left hand side blank indicates the starting of the input and the right hand side blank indicates the end of the input. So what I am going to do is, so I am going to replace this first A with X and I am moving to right hand side till reaching the blank at the right end. So after reaching the blank at the right end, traverse the head to the left hand side. So for 1A, I am crossing 1B. That is the logic. This B will be replaced with Y and we are going to move to the right hand side until reaching the first X. Okay. After reaching the first X, again move to right hand side. The pointer will be staying on this A. This A will again replaced as X and moving to the right hand side until reaching the first Y. So why we are not going for blank at the right end means because in the previous step, after reaching the right end blank, we will be moving to the left side. The first B will be replaced with Y. The meaning is this Y is the last B. Okay, the Y which appeared before the blank, immediate before the blank, that will be represented as the last B. So after reaching this Y, it is not necessary to go to blank again. It is not necessary to waste one step again. That's why I am stopping here at Y and again moving to the left hand side. The second B will be crossed with Y because we have crossed the second A with X and we are going to move to the left hand side until reaching the first X. So the meaning is, if you are reaching the X, so you can mention that in the left hand side no other inputs are there after this X. So now after reaching this X, again move to the right hand side, you will be having only Y. There is no input called A or B. So the meaning is, so the A and B are crossed successfully. So you can see here 2X is there and 2Y is there. So equal number of X and equal number of Y. The meaning is both A and B are equal. So this is what A power n operation in Turing machine. Now I will construct the automata diagram to perform this operation. So start with Q naught. So A is replaced with X and move to right hand side. Then Q1. So you have to move to right hand side until reaching the blank. In between the elements will be represented as it is and we will be moving to the right hand side. So A and B are the in between the elements. So it will be so next thing is after reaching the blank in Q2, you have to move to the left part. So left part means you will be having the B. So B is replaced with y and move to the left hand side. B is replaced with y and move to left hand side. Now you will be having many elements as A and B. Move as it is and move to the left hand side until you are reaching the x. After reaching the x, so you will be reaching the x here. After reaching the x, move it to right hand side. So you will be having the A, perform the same operation. So you can see here A will be replaced as x and moving to the right hand side. Then next thing is B. So B will be mentioned as it is and moving to the right hand side. Now after this B you will be having y. Okay. So this y will be mentioned as y and move to the left hand side. So we are not going to the blank here because we can justify that this y is the last B. So after moving to the left hand side, you will be having the next B. So that B will be again replaced as y and moving to the left hand side. So what are the elements you are having? Then you will be having x. So after reaching this x will be mentioned as x and moving to the right hand side. You are now you will be in this state. So in Q1 state. So in Q1 you are having the element as A and B as the input. So y, if you want y means, so after this x you will be in the state Q0. So after that you will be having the input as A as well as the B. Then Q1 will be B. So from Q0 you have to go to another one state, that is Q4. Mention it as y. Mentioned as y and move to right hand side, and many y's. Y will be mentioned as y and move to right hand side. Then finally it will be the final state blank. Blank will be mentioned as blank and stay alt. Okay. So this is what how A power n and B power n can be performed. Okay. So you can see here 2x and 2y. The meaning is 2 A's and 2 B's are there. Okay. Thank you.